next topic is lymph. There is another type of fluid also involved in the transportation. Now transportation, first we have our blood, now we have lymph. Now what they are saying, there is another type of fluid is also involved in the transportation. This is called the lymph or the tissue fluid, और इस fluid को हम कहते हैं lymph fluid, or we say this tissue as the tissue fluid. Through the pores present in the walls of capillaries, some amount of plasma, proteins and blood cells escape into the intracellular spaces. Through the pores that are present in the walls of the capillaries, some amount of plasma, proteins and blood cells escape from the intercellular spaces in the cells to form the tissue fluid or lymph. It is similar to the plasma of the blood but colorless and contains the less proteins than plasma of blood. Lymph drains into the lymphatic capillaries. Now lymph drains into the lymphatic capillaries from the intercellular spaces which join to form the large lymph vessels that finally open into the large veins. Lymph carries digested and absorbed fat from intestine and drains excess fluid from extracellular space back into the blood.